Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. What's up, guys? Alright, so today we are reviewing the Beyond Meat, Beyond Breakfast Sausage in classic and spicy. And we are also reviewing Just Egg Foldables. These are the folded plant eggs. This is what they're actually called.
Foldables.
We're adding some vegan cheese to it and also putting it on a vegan English muffin.
Mushroom. Yo, give me one of the mushrooms.
Give me one of the mushrooms real quick. We're adding some vegan cheese to it, and we're also going to put it on a vegan English muffin to create the ultimate vegan breakfast sandwich. We're big fans of breakfast sausages, and we've actually shared quite a few on this channel. We tried the Dunkin' Donuts breakfast sandwich made with Beyond sausage. You can check that video out right here. We also traveled to Savannah for the Burger King breakfast croissant sandwich launch. Yeah. It's not bad. Not bad.
Tastes similar to real sausage. It's not that real. But
You can definitely tell it's not real sausage.
yeah, they're getting there.
Yeah. And last year, we shared this breakfast sandwich haul on our Instagram and also created it on our YouTube channel. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. We even created our own breakfast sausage in this video here, long before any of these other options were available. So we want to show you some of the other options that you do have to get a breakfast sausage sandwich in your hands, just in case you don't have these items in your area yet. Now, in case you're curious, here are the nutrition facts. Alright, so we're gonna jump right in and get these packages open and start putting these sandwiches together. Alright, so we're gonna show you guys what it looks like when you open this bad boy up. There you go, pretty compact.
Interesting.
Interesting. Let's see what this Beyond sausage hitting for.
I wonder if it's gonna taste just like the one from
It better.
Dunkin' Donuts, because that'd be busted.
I hope it's not like some patented thing where it's like, no, you gotta go to Dunkin' Donuts to taste that flavor.
Yeah.
Cause I really like those. You really like those too, right?
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
You know what?
Mmm.
This is giving me McDonald's vibes.
Mm-hmm. I did. I love them. They're my favorite Beyond product. Yeah, they pretty much look the same.
Yeah. Kind of same shape and everything.
Yeah, they're pretty small though.
They are. It smells kind of good though.
Let me smell it. Does smell good. That's the spicy?
That's the spicy.
That's the spicy. Okay.
By the way, there is no plastic in the box. It's just the meat and the box.
Yeah, to save on plastic.
I guess to save on plastic.
Yeah.
It's a little weird though. A little weird. Alright, so this is the classic one here. And yeah, it's official. There is no plastic.
Yeah.
That's kind of weird. Because look, it's all over the box.
Oh, that's not appetizing at all.
Yeah, but you know, hopefully it tastes good.
And it's good for the environment.
Good for the environment, man. Less plastic.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put those in the air fryer. This is the classic and one of the Just Eggs. And we ended up doing the other one on the stove. And what we're gonna do now is just add some of that Daiya cheese or Daiya cheese. Go ahead and flip these.
Yeah, we did 2 minutes on one side. We're gonna add the cheese and then do 2 minutes on the other side. Ooh, that looks pretty good.
Looks good. Looks like you don't know how to add any butter either, because like it's
pretty oily. Yeah.
It's pretty oily. And just add some of that oil to the
We should do one of the eggs in the toaster, since that's how they've been advertising them too.
Alright, and just for the flex, we're gonna go ahead and put it inside of the toaster as well to see how that comes out.
Speaking of flex, new Vitamix, don't hate.
Don't hate.
Don't hate. Don't hate.
It says to put it on high for 6 minutes. I don't know what 6 minutes on here is. So I guess that's 6, right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so this is the end result in the pot. And let's go ahead and put that on there, just like that. Better then take this pot over to the toasted bun.
in the video with the
There you go.
burger.
Are you in the video with the burger? Yes, you're in the video with the burger, baby. Okay?
Got that just wake up on your face.
That's so hot.
It's so hot.
You can see the steam. And then this is the one from the air fryer. There you go.
So real.
That's the spicy, that's
This is the classic.
the classic one.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll put that on there. And put that on there. Just like so. Ooh.
Wow, the day has come.
Now, before we get into this taste test, our number one tip when it comes to being vegan or plant-based is balance. Balance, balance, balance. Now, if you don't know our story, our family has been vegan for 5 years. We have 6 kids. We've been married for 14 years.
Bloop, bloop, bloop.
We know a little bit of something about what we talking about this veganism. We know a little something.
A little something.
But you know, if processed meats are not your thing or processed vegan foods are not your thing, we actually have a great company that we worked with. It is called Splendid Spoon, and you can actually check out the video that we have right here. I'll also put some footage right here. They have healthy bowls, smoothies. They're perfect for staying on track if you're trying to lose some weight. We actually been dropping some pounds, trying out their products. Pounds, I'm talking about pounds. So, you know, we about to put it back on with these, but we've been dropping some pounds. But now, we actually have a link down below in the description box that'll actually save you some money on your first order with Splendid Spoon. So go ahead and check that out in the description box. Also, if you guys want to try to make your own vegan egg, we actually have a great recipe that we showed on this channel as well. And we also have that video right here. Check that out. It's actually made with mung beans, the same thing that Just Egg is made with, and you'll be able to make that at home as well. So
if you like your homemade
if you like your homemade stuff,
we're trying to give you options.
if you like whipping in the kitchen,
yes,
this is what you need to do. Check that recipe out. It is in the description box as well. Also will be up here. All right, now without further ado and to-do, let's get to that taste test.
I'm so hungry.
I know, man. Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Yeah, buddy. You know we had to take some pics for the gram. Follow us on Instagram, as I just said.
We done told y'all.
We done told y'all better do it. All right, I'm gonna cut these things in half.
Too close, man.
Too close, man. Get too close.
Daiya.
Cause I spit hot fire.
Spit.
That.
Ooh. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, vegan meats and cheeses.
Meats.
Season your meats for the week.
All right, so now we're going to try the Just Egg by itself.
That was done in the toaster.
It was done in the toaster. Here's yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, put a little bit of ketchup in the plate. So we can...
A little ketchup.
We didn't season this with anything, which is not how we would normally eat egg.
It's not, but we want to give you guys an
exactly.
honest review of how it tastes.
By itself, yeah.
Because if you don't need to season it, then you don't need to season it.
Exactly.
You know?
Cheers.
Cheers. That's pretty good.
That's good.
It's actually just as good or not, if not better than.
It's better.
It's better, right? This is definitely better than the what comes in the tube.
Yeah, it's really good with the ketchup too.
That makes me even more excited about the sandwich.
I know. Alright, which one are we trying first?
Try the classic first.
Okay.
All right. Cheers.
Ding.
All right.
Wow. Wow.
This brings me back to our Dunkin' Donut video.
Cut to that Dunkin' Donuts footage. Wow. I feel like I've waited my whole life for this.
This is So good. What's funny about this footage is at one point, Chris was like,
yo, Beyond, we need these in grocery stores too.
in the stores, man. Yeah. And look at it. Now they're in the stores.
Couple months later. We keep telling y'all. We always say, anything you want, let these vegan companies know. They are so receptive. They are open. They are listening. They really listened. Wow.
Far.
That's the best sausage, egg, and cheese I've had ever.
Far.
Wow.
Yes.
That's not even the spicy, is it?
Mm-mm.
Ooh, let's get in on that spicy.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, the ketchup too? Ooh.
Yeah. Ooh.
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 The camera was getting graphic.
It was getting graphic.
It was getting graphic. We had to turn off that camera.
But we back now.
Yeah.
Try this spicy for you.
Okay.
It smells good. Cheers. That's good. As usual, guys, the air fryer makes all the difference. All right, so got a little difference of opinion.
I like the spicy better.
To me, I think it would be good or better if it was done in the air fryer. I think it cooked a little too long on the stove, even though we only did 2 minutes on each side. But you can taste a little bit of the spice, a little bit of the spice.
Yeah, I need more spice.
Yeah, it needs to be a little more spicy to be called spicy, but it has a little kick to it, a little something. But me personally, at this point, I do prefer the classic. Maybe it was because of the air fryer. I don't know.
Yeah, we normally like stuff in the air fryer. I don't like stuff in the air fryer. This was just juicier to me.
Yeah. Yeah, so the regular one reminds me a little bit more of the Dunkin' Donuts one than this one.
Yeah, it does. It does. Because the spice kind of gives it a completely different
flavor.
palate. Yeah.
Now, if you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button.
Hitting that like button does so much for the algorithm, so YouTube knows.
It lets them know, man. It lets them know that this is a good video.
And that you appreciate our content.
Yeah, hit that like button, man. And if you really appreciate our content, don't forget there is a join button down below. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking in the past if we have like a Patreon or something where you can support us. And actually now we do, thanks to YouTube. If you look below, you'll see a join button, and on there it's kind of like Patreon, where you can actually give a small amount to support this channel. Now, it's like a monthly subscription where you contribute monthly, and we actually give you behind the scenes footage. We give you live cook with us videos that we'll be doing for you guys.
Discounts from our merch, our cookbook that's coming up, exclusive review videos.
All of that good stuff. And as you guys know, we are a small channel, so this is a very big deal.
Yeah.
Now, the reason why this is a big deal is because membership is usually only available to channels with 30,000 subscribers or above. So shout out to YouTube for choosing us to be one of the small channels that they are rolling it out to. I know a lot of small channels are getting that option right now, and it really means a lot to us. So shout out to YouTube once again.
YouTube.
Shout out.
YouTube.
I said YouTube like 5 more times. Also, we got that cookbook coming up, baby.
It is coming out very soon. So you guys need to subscribe, stay tuned, so that you guys will be the first ones to get it when it comes out. And hit that join button, because our members get
different discounts. We got different discounts for you guys, whichever ones you choose to sign up to. It's up to you, but you do get different discounts when you sign up and hit that join button. Now, we're gonna have a video coming up with way more details on the membership and the join button and all that good stuff, so you stay tuned for that as well. Now, we want to thank you guys for watching. We know it's crazy out there. We know that you guys, hopefully you guys are hanging in there.
And thanks to all of you who watched the video all the way through, man.
Yeah, man.
It makes a huge difference.
Y'all the real MVP.
Y'all the real MVPs.
Real. But, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk.
Zip up your coat. Vitamix in the back. Drink almond milk. Put it in the Vitamix. Zip up your coat. And oat. Your oat. You got the oat. No.